and today we are going to learn how to express possibility. Please listen to the following conversation. Have you seen Jack? He could be in the school canteen. No, he isn't. I've just been there. Well, perhaps he's with Jane in the library. Question number one. Is Sam sure that Jack is in the school canteen? Of course, no, because he said he could be in the school canteen, which means that he is not sure where Sam is. Is Sam sure that Jack is with Jane? Of course, no, because he said perhaps he is with Jane. So we use could and perhaps to express possibility. So first question, what is possibility? Possibility is a chance that something may happen or be true. And how do we express it in English? We can use modal verbs may, might, and could to say that something is possible or can be true now or in the future. As well as English speakers, they use certain phrases and expressions like maybe, perhaps, it's possible, etc. So let's have a look at the following expressions and modal verbs. Oh, today it's cloudy. It could rain this evening. It may rain this evening, or it might rain this evening. Of course, we are not sure if there will be rain, but because the weather is cloudy, we suppose that there will be rain. So we can express this possibility by the following modal verbs: could, may, and might. Your attention, please. Modal verbs are always followed by bare infinitive. That is to say, infinitive without to. Example, he could come to our party. That's correct. He could to come to our party. That's incorrect. So modal verbs plus infinitive without to. Another example, Sarah could be late. Sarah may be late. Sarah might be late. The question is there any difference between could, may, and might? Actually, the three can be used interchangeably. However, could and may implies 50% possible, something that can happen for 50%. However, might implies that there is a less chance of something happening. Now let's move on to maybe and perhaps. Let's have a look at the example. Maybe our meeting will be postponed until he returns. Perhaps our meeting will be postponed until he returns. As you can see, maybe and perhaps they have just the same meaning. However, perhaps is more formal and it's more common in written English. Maybe, on the other hand, normally goes at the beginning of the sentence. Perhaps can go at the start, in the middle, or at the end. I will show you this in an example. Maybe I need some time. Perhaps I need some time. I perhaps need some time. I need some time perhaps. So you notice that perhaps has more flexibility than maybe. Other expressions are possibly, it's possible, and there is a chance. Examples: possibly she will go by plane. It's possible that someone will meet her at the airport. There is a chance she will like the city. Now let's move on to the practice. Here are some situations, and I would like you to use the expressions of possibility. Exercise number 2, I would like you to fill in the gaps with could, maybe, perhaps, and it's possible. Please write down your answers on the comments below, and thank you so much. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time with a new lesson. Goodbye.